How to reactivate ChatGPT account. As an AI language model, ChatGPT does not have user accounts that require reactivation. But in case you're logged out or deactivated from the ChatGPT account, this might help you. First, go to the search engine you're using and type ChatGPT. Search it and go to ChatGPT from OpenAI. Click on that and go to Try ChatGPT. Now you'll be led to this page and simply click on Sign Up. After you do this, they'll ask your email address. First, let me keep mine. And go to Continue and apply a password. And after you've done this, click on Continue. I already have an account, so I don't need to continue now. But if you do not have an account, or if you are deactivated from the account, then this might help for the reactivation. So this is how you do it. Thank you.